see what we got going on today at Car Audio Innovations.
Yeah, but we haven't done it all.
BMW 3 Series, we tried a Stealthbox.
We'll go check it out.
Did not work out, so we ended up building the box. We're going to do two 12W6s. But otherwise, car's 335 D. I'm guessing that means twin turbocharged diesel. Anyway, sweet little car. We got this Camaro, we got a Super Sport. A couple of JL Audio HD amps. We got a JL Stealthbox with 310W3s on it. It's painted to match. Matches the sweet stripes. Headunit's already in. We got a nice Kenwood 9980HD. Looking sweet. Car's working in the back. A couple of HD amps going on the floor and custom panels. Yeah. We got Tony and Carl working on it. Sweet looking car. There's the Stealthbox. Painted to match. Very cool. Yeah. That's it. Leaving the wood shop. BMW.
What?
That's it.